In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background colors in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, customizing the look and feel of your workspace can make your experience both more personal and visually appealing. So, let's get started. First, you want to head over to TradingView. Make sure you're logged in and on the main dashboard. TradingView is where all the magic happens, and this is your hub for technical analysis, charting, and a host of other features that empower you to track the markets like a pro. Once you're on TradingView, direct your attention to the top right corner of your chart. You'll notice a small gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click on that icon to continue. The settings area is where you can tweak and adjust various aspects of your chart, and it's essential for customizing your trading environment to suit your needs. After you've opened up the settings menu, take a look at the side panel. You'll see a section labeled Chart Settings, and under that, there's an option called Canvas. Click on Canvas to proceed. This section is specifically for altering the overall background aspects of your chart. It's a critical step in ensuring that the backdrop of your workspace is easy on the eyes and in line with your aesthetic preferences. Now it's time to focus on the background option, which you'll find under Canvas. Selecting this will give you access to various color options. You're now just a step away from transforming your chart's appearance. The background is what sets the tone for your entire chart, so feel free to experiment with colors that improve visibility and reduce eye strain. With the background settings open, you'll notice the ability to customize or change the background to your liking. Whether you prefer a neutral tone or a vibrant hue, the choice is yours. Simply click on the color you like the most and instantly see the changes reflect on your chart. You can also enter a specific hex code if you have a precise shade in mind. This feature is particularly useful if you have specific branding colors or a theme that aligns with your trading strategy. Remember, the key to a great trading setup is not just functionality, but also comfort. Be sure to try different colors to find the best one that suits your trading environment. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to customize your TradingView background. Changing the background color is just one of the many ways you can personalize your trading platform to enhance both performance and visual comfort. As always, thank you for watching, and happy trading.